Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word man. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The man walking his dog waved to his neighbor as they passed each other on the sidewalk. In this sentence, man refers to an adult male human being. It is typically used to distinguish males from females and can also refer to humanity in general. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.